Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. It is the start of a new year, and so it's time for resolutions, I guess. But first things first. Would you believe me if I said one of my resolutions was to drink less coffee? It's not. So, notwithstanding the usual, go to the gym for a change and eat a vegetable and that kind of stuff, these are resolutions that are specifically to do with YouTube. So my YouTube resolutions. And hopefully one of the main differences between these and my normal ones, on top of the fact that these are the ones that actually would matter to you guys, is hopefully I'll actually keep these ones. So, first off, as you've seen, hopefully, if you've been following me for a while, new camera and all that, we talked about this yesterday. Video quality is improved, at least in my opinion. So goal number one, continue to improve my video quality, continue to get some good B-roll footage in there, and make things more interesting for you guys to watch. Goal number two, and this one's pretty important for me and for you guys, hopefully. I get a lot of questions about what products I'm using, what products should you use, all of that stuff. So I'm going to start giving you guys affiliate links to as much stuff as I can, and where I can't provide an affiliate link, I'll give a normal link if I can find it online. So I want to make it easier for you guys to find these things, and if you actually buy something through an affiliate link, it helps me out too, so that I can then, get that income, reinvest it, and hopefully use it to, for God's sake, hopefully use it to, continue improving the channel, getting more equipment and stuff like that to make better videos. So that's the big one for me, probably. Goal number two, resolution number two, start providing as many affiliate links as I can for the things that I think you guys will want. And through that also using those kits, because that's a great way to organize them, I find, even though the return might not be as good. That way I can send you here's everything that I think you'll need to do a certain job, as opposed to here's a link for this thing, and here's a link for this thing, and here's a link for this thing. Hopefully that helps. Number three, I'm gonna try and do more airbrushing this year. I know a lot of you guys like spray cans and stuff, but a lot of you like airbrushing, and honestly I think it's gonna be more interesting to watch than some of the other stuff that I do, even if it's not something that you can specifically try right away. An airbrush rig isn't that expensive, and honestly you can do a lot with it and then go ahead and clear coat with your spray cans and stuff. You can put down a spray can base, do your airbrush graphics, and then put down a spray can clear. The main difference between an airbrush and a paint gun in terms of cost isn't the cost of the item itself, it's the compressor. You can run an airbrush off a very small compressor. So I'm gonna try and do more airbrush stuff. Hopefully you guys like that. And number four, this year I am going to hopefully release some products of my own. I don't specifically know what they'll be yet. I've got kind of a list I'm working through. I'm working through product development for a few things. So if you guys are at all interested in that stuff, then perfect. Hopefully I can get some for you. If there's something in particular that you want to see, you want custom pick guards or custom guitar hangers or custom coffee mugs or cutting boards, all that stuff. I do make all of that stuff. I just don't do it in any sort of volume because I usually just make it for myself or when a friend wants it. So let me know if there's something in specific you guys want. Please don't say, hey, I want a 7-string fan fret, Buckeye Burl top guitar. I'm not gonna do that. Go see Ormsby or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try and release a couple things of my own, see if that accomplishes anything or if there's any interest in that. And hey, if there isn't, then so be it. And if there is, sweet, that should be good. So those are my 4 resolutions. I'm sure I'll come up with other ideas over the course of the year that I can implement and hopefully continue to improve. But those ones you can try and hold me to. Hopefully I can get something done on those for you. And I'm looking forward to it. 2017 was a great year for me, as you guys know, and hopefully 2018 is even better. So thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. I would appreciate it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time, which will be very soon, because I said so. Have a good one. Catch you later.